Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just yesterday, I posted letting you guys know that Microsoft was rolling out a couple of new features for Microsoft 365, and one or two of those I was actually personally happy to see, and I'll leave that video down below. But just to let you know that over and above those new features they have rolled out to Microsoft 365 and will be rolling out to 365, Microsoft now is bringing a small, what I would consider to be yet a significant change to OneDrive, where over on their Microsoft 365 roadmap, they have now announced a new feature for OneDrive, Create with Templates, which is going to be rolling out starting in February next year, 2024. So basically with this announcement, Microsoft say they are refreshing the file creation experience in OneDrive for the web. And as many of you will know who do use OneDrive, if we head up to this toggle, New, this is where you create a new folder or document where you get the folder option and then a couple of the Word, Excel, PowerPoint apps and so on that you can choose as different templates. Now this is where the change is going to come, and I think this is a small improvement, but yet, as I say, a significant one, because soon, starting next year in February, when you click this Add New button, they're going to have another option to create a blank file, which is currently not available. And I think that's a nice move, because for that you have to head over to Word as an example, and then you have the option to currently create a blank document and so on. So this option is now getting moved directly into OneDrive, which I think is a nice move. So they, as I posted yesterday, there is one or two integrations overlapping now, which are actually making the whole Microsoft 365 package and also the individual apps a lot more user-friendly to use and coexist with one another. But go check that previous video out I did post yesterday. But I thought this was a small, but as mentioned, I think a handy and useful change. And now, soon in February next year, 2024, we'll have an option to be able to create a blank file. And that's rolling out to the web platform for OneDrive. And obviously, if that does become available, or I do notice that change, obviously, I will post and keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.